cold. Yo, everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them leaks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show.
What's up? So this is the fireworks stash for Bonfire Night 2019. Show you the fireworks I've got. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce the names of them, but here we go. So here's one of the boxes. You can see it's got a couple of fountains in it and one firework. And it's by TNT Fireworks. And I have the autumn bombs from Bright Star Fireworks. A 4-shot barrage. They're quite loud. I've had these ones before. And I have the aerial attack selection firework box with 20 fireworks in it. See, it comes with some rockets, stargaze rockets, and some Roman candles, and some of these. Starburst. And we have a few of these ones as well. And this is the rockets. I'll do some separate videos on these. Now, moving on to the big fireworks. The twin burst proton bomb, 18-shot barrage. Also from Bright Star Fireworks. Move on to the next one. The Thunderbolt 25-shot barrage from Elite Fireworks. I'm not sure if I said the name properly, but you fireworks enthusiasts can tell me in the comments.